Hello, my name is Tessa, and today I'm going to color my faded pink hair and change it to a hopefully pastel purple blue. Now I don't have a pastel purple blue dye. I've got blue dye, I've got pink dye, I've got red dye, and I've got conditioner and a bowl to mix them in. So I'm going to try to get a color close to what I want. I'm going to cover this mess. I'm only concerned about it because, like, if you look at it, it's still kind of pink. I hope that I don't mess up pretty badly, because my hair is the only thing I have to be proud of nowadays. But if I do, it's on video for everybody to see. I'm going to mix the dye and we'll get to it. Okay, so I've got this Arctic Fox color. I have this Manic Panic Cotton Candy Pink color, which is what has been in my hair and has faded. And then I have some conditioner to mix it with. I'm going to try this one more time. Hopefully not mess up as badly as I just did. Okay, so my camera ran out of space while I was recording that, which always happens. I also ended up running out of dye, so what I did was I extremely diluted a bunch of Arctic Fox Poseidon, and I put a couple drops of Arctic Fox Poison in there, which I've done for purple before. It's the entire back section of this. I don't want to touch my hair right now. I took off my gloves and cleaned everything up after spilling dye all over the bathroom and the floor and the sink and the walls and my shoes, which are now stained. But yes, the color is pretty. See if we can. But yes, I'm going to leave this in for a couple of hours and then wash it out and hope that it turns out well. So now we wait. So it's been a day, and I washed my hair out yesterday. I didn't use soap or anything. I just rinsed it out for a really long time because there was so much conditioner in it already. And this is how it turned out. I styled it a little bit just so I could take pictures. So the back hasn't been styled, only the front where it matters. Purple for me has been a hard color to get because your hair has to be very close to white underneath it, because if there's any orange in your hair, which, you know, if you bleach hair, your hair turns, it goes through levels where it's orange. And because of that, it's been hard for me to get the purple colors that I've wanted over the years, and this time it finally worked really well. So if your hair is pink and you want it to be purple, just put dye on top of it. So using a bluer dye will work to make it close to the color you want. I think at least that worked for me. I hope that if you do try it, it works out for you. If it doesn't, please don't blame me. Thank you guys for coming along this journey with me, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.